How to stay calm in a busy world. Every day, life feels faster and busier. We wake up, check our phones, and start thinking about everything we need to do. There are messages, tasks, and endless information. It can feel overwhelming, even before the day truly begins. Sometimes we forget to pause and simply breathe. We move from one thing to another without rest. In such a world, staying calm may seem difficult, but even in the middle of noise and activity, there is always a way to find a quiet moment. It starts with a small choice to slow down, even just a little. When everything feels too much, the simplest thing we can do is breathe. Taking a slow, deep breath can change how we feel. It helps the body relax and gives the mind a moment of rest. Close your eyes for a second and notice your breathing, in and out, slowly and gently. This small action may seem simple, but it is powerful. It brings you back to the present moment. You don't need anything special, just a quiet second to reconnect with yourself. One reason we feel stressed is too much distraction. Notifications, noise, and constant updates take our attention away. Try turning off unnecessary alerts for a while. Put your phone aside and focus on one thing at a time. When your mind is not jumping everywhere, it becomes calmer. A quiet space, even for a few minutes, can make a big difference. You will notice how much more peaceful your thoughts become. We often rush through life without noticing small moments. Try slowing down your actions. Walk a little slower, eat more mindfully, and speak more gently. When you slow down, you begin to see and feel more. Life does not have to be fast all the time. Slowing down is not losing time. It is gaining awareness and peace. Everyone needs a quiet place. It can be a room, a park, or even a small corner. This is where you can rest and be yourself. Spend a few minutes there every day. No noise, no pressure, just peace. Over time, this habit helps you feel more balanced and calm. Staying calm in a busy world is not about changing everything around you. It is about changing how you respond. Small steps like breathing, slowing down, and finding quiet moments can make a big difference. Peace is always there. You just need to notice it.